Oh, they taped it on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I got a good one for you guys. It's a good video because we got a new car. So this is going to be, I guess, a new build series, sorta, and repair series. We just got this in Copart in close to Barrie. It's got some damage, which is why it was cheap. As you can see, the rear trunk and bumper is smashed. It still has the tail lights, I think. I don't know why they're out, but I don't even think I can open the trunk. Yeah, I can't even open the trunk to show you. But the body's pretty clean. I can't open the door. We'll have to jack it up and put some air in the tires so we can do that. And then it was also hitting the front somehow. I don't really know what happened. I could see the radiator has bent fins. I can't see if they're actually penetrated to see it leaked it all out or whatever, but I know it's damaged. I didn't actually see that in the auction photos, but the front bumper, definitely gonna need a new one of those, as well as the hood. It's got a dent right there, as you can see. So I guess let's get this thing unstrapped, jacked up so we can get in the inside and make sure it starts up. There we go. Ugh, the front bumper's garbage anyway. That's one. Here's the next one. These U-Haul trailers are actually surprisingly cheap. It only costed me $60 with tax and everything to rent this thing for a full 24 hours, which honestly is pretty good. So if you don't really need a trailer on a daily basis, I wouldn't even buy one, because to me $60, that's not bad at all. It's also pretty convenient because you can pick one up at any location. So you could drive, if you had to drive far, you can make the whole journey there without a trailer. So that way you save on gas as well. These straps we got are also pretty nice. They make quick work of tying down the car. This tire is the only one that's a little low on air. So the air compressor's right behind us, so I might just put a little bit in. And then we'll have to jack it up. I got my small jack just so we can open the door, and I'm gonna pop the hood and then see if this thing's gonna start. It is a run and drive. I said that in the list in the ad, so the only thing that's probably gonna be wrong is maybe the battery's a little dead, but got the booster pack for that. So last one here, trying to do it before it gets dark. It wasn't too bad of a drive. It was only about 2.5 hours away from me, so alright, let's get this thing jacked up. I have the jack under there half decent, I guess. It should be good enough to lift it up like a ½ inch. Not even. Let's see. Not quite. That should be plenty. Yep. There we go. Lights are turning on. Here's the key right here. The interior is actually in pretty good shape. Let me pop the hood real quick, I guess. Well, before the hood opens, this is gonna have to come off of here. As you can see, the crash bumper is definitely, I don't know how this hood opens. Okay, I got it. I just didn't pull the handle hard enough. Well, everything looks fine. The rad support is bent, but I don't think it's not bent enough to do any damage. Should start up no problem. So I guess we can get this thing started. All right. Ooh. Alright guys, well I just pulled in the garage here and it seems to be running pretty fine. It's just got, the codes out. It would actually the check engine light's not even on, but it has all the alerts at the sensors and whatnot. But that's not all too bad. So let's get onto the outside of the car now that it's inside, so I can show you guys the damages that it has. Alright, we're back on the outside of the car again. So let's say the majority of the damage is just this crash bumper here. It's dented in, and then the rad there. Other than that, it's actually not too bad. The front, the back, I mean, it's caved in, but the backup camera still works. I didn't end up showing you, but the taillights still work. I don't want to break the rear window, or else the trunk does move. So that'll all be in the next video. I'll pop the back seats, maybe go from that way. Basically going to be taking apart all the things that need to come off. That way I can see what parts I need to order in order to get this thing back to stock. And then it's going to go for safety. And then we can start doing some other things to it. Well guys, the car is in the garage, safe and sound. Got it just lifted off the ground here. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. Next video, like I said, we're going to be taking apart the whole car, all the parts that are broken. That way I can see what parts I need to replace. I know for sure I need the front crash bumper here, the plastic bumper, the rear bumper, the trunk lid, and one passenger side headlight. But that's all I know of so far. So as we take it apart, I'm sure I'll find more stuff that I need to get. But yeah, I was thinking I was going to do the M Sport front and rear bumper. Let me know what you think about that down in the comments below. Also, what do you guys think I paid for it? I want you to comment down below with your guesses on how much you paid for this car. I'm going to do the price reveal at the end when the whole car is repaired and ready to go on the road. So be sure to subscribe so you can see the whole series and watch the car come together. But other than that, guys, that's going to end today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.